This is the teaching video for tutorial 4. Excel provides a set of financial functions. So you can say we have for PV, we have for PMT, we have for IPMT. What are those? First, look at this question. This question says if you have a student loan of 20,000 and in next year you get a job, you want to pay it off in 10 years, then how much you need to pay every month? So if we want to get the answer for this question, we need to know some term. First is principal. The 20,000 is the principal, and we need the interest. When you get a loan, you need to pay the interest. But keep in mind, this interest unit is year rate. So we need to know the month rate. For month rate, look at here. So we just use the year rate, the 8%. We assume the year rate is 8%. So we use the year rate divided by 12, then we get the month rate. That's important because you want to make monthly payment. So we need to use month rate. And also how many times you need to pay. In this example, you want to pay monthly, so it's 12. And the present value and the future value, like PV and FV. Present value means you get 20,000 today. Future value means at the end of 10 years, you pay off the loan. Okay, let's return this question. So how much you need to pay every month? Then we can use the payment function, PMT. PMT. The first argument is rate. Here we need to use the month rate, this one. And then the times we need to make payment. So we have 12 months a year. We have 10 years. That will be 12 times 10. Finally, we have PV. PV value is the money you get today. That will be 20,000. You can say here we get a negative, means you need to pay 242.99. Then after 10 years, you pay off the loan. How about say you want to make a payment, say you want to pay 300, then how long you can pay off the loan? That way we need to use this function. It's called the NPER. It will calculate the number of periods, like the months, you can pay off the loan. So that's how we do it. Say NPER. Rate, again, we need to use month rate. And the payment you want to pay, say, now you want to pay 3 negative, remember, because you pay, you give out the money, negative 300. The PV is still present value. You still get the 20,000 loan. But now you want to pay every month by $300. Then how long you can pay off the loan? It will be 88. This is the month. So if you want to get the year, we need to divide it by 12. So that will be almost 7.5 years. So you can see the difference. If you want to pay 242 in the 10 years, if you want to pay 300, you will pay off in 7 and almost half year. That's the NPER function. How about the rate? Let's say now we assume the rate is 8%. How about say you get some discount? You find some good deal. So let's do the calculation. Say we want to get the rate. Say a rate. Again, you want to pay 12 months times 10 years. And every month you want to pay, like say, if you want to pay $200, negative $200. Okay, then present value still the loan, 20,000. Means you want to find the rate. According to that rate, you only need to pay 200. Then by the end of 10 years, you pay off the loan. Then what's the rate? We get it 0. We need to add the digits. So means if you found a rate, you found a company, they charge you the rate. The interest is 8%. If you found an interest just only 3%, then every month you only need to pay $200 instead of $242. So that's the three function. This for payment. This we calculate how long. This for number of payment. This is for the rate. But the same question, we just look at the same question from a different angle. This question you want to say how much you need to pay. This question you want to say if I pay this amount, how long you can pay off. This question say if you want to pay just $200 every month, what's the rate you need to fund? So that's the three function PMT and this NPR and rate. Let's look at the second question. Second question says if you save $200 for retirement monthly, then after 30 years, how much you can get? This we need to calculate the future value. The future value means you save $200 every month. Then after 30 years, what's the money? So that's the future value. So we use FV. FV rate again, we use this rate 8%. Then again, the number of payment, because you want to save 12 months and 30 years. And every month you want to save $200. And here you save, yeah, you still pay out, you still give out $200. Yeah, because you give the money. So that's fine. So you can say after 30 years, you get $289,000. So this is used PFV, means we are calculate the future value. Means every month you save $20. After 30 years, what's the number? That will be 298 if we have this rate. Look at the third question. This question says if you want to buy a retirement plan, so it means you can get $1,000 every month in 20 years. Then how much you want to pay for this plan? So that will calculate present value, PV. Present value means I pay now. In future, you get you pay this number. In 20 years, you get 1,000. So you get a good deal, I get a bad deal. Let's first say we use PV, present value. So the rate again 8%. That's yearly. The month will be 99, something like this, 0.99. And here we get 20, means 12, 10, 20. Here the payment, so you get 10, 1,000. So means this plane today, if you want to buy this plane, the fair price will be 119,000. So if you buy this plane less than this price, you get a good deal. If you pay the price higher than this number, you get a bad deal. So that is the financial functions for IPMT and PMT. We just use the calculator to say, because when you pay, like say you pay every month 242, part of it will be paid for the principal, part of it will pay for interest. So those two functions just say how much is for interest, how much is for principal. that's the financial functions.